one. Hi everyone, I'm Christine Josty of Mail Something Pretty, and I want to show you this really cute gift card holder that I designed. The little gift card fits in this nice little pocket, but I also, what I think is clever, if you untie the bow, you can write your little message in the tag. So I just want to show you how I put that together. And I used the paper both for the tag and for the gift card holder is the craft paper. And so that is in the 2022-23 annual Stampin' Up! Annual catalog, and it's kind of hidden. So on page 139 here, it's right here in the bottom corner, and it comes 6 by 6 sheets, and you get 20 sheets in it. So I just wanted to show you kind of where it is. And so I've already pre-cut some of my pieces here. So that is the, let's see, oops, base of the for the gift card holder, and that's the die. And so it's from the mini pocket envelope dies, and that is also, it's like a little hidden gem. Here it is on page 172. It's right here. So you get the die for the envelope, but you get all these other pieces. So you get an oval, you get this piece makes a bow, you get a nice, some label shapes, a little mini label, a little leaf, and it's a little piece, you know, for, you know, those circles you see on tags. But that's where that's from. So those are the dies there. Alrighty, so let's get started. So I already cut this out, and so I'm going to fold. There are score marks. It is really thick paper. You definitely want to burnish this. And there's a little score right here on this little tab, and then there's one here on the bottom. If you don't have a bone folder, you can use, I've used a ruler, like just a little ruler. You can use your fingernails, which is usually what I use, to be honest with you. And it just comes together just like that. So you could use tear and tape, which just fits, or if it's a little bit too wide, you can fold it over on itself, or you can use glue. So I'm just going to use, I'm a big fan of glue, just to glue this together. My glue is almost empty. I've been filming videos all morning, and I think it's almost time to replace it. I'm just going to close that shut, and I should have used my silicone mat. I'll just press that till it sticks. That is how easy this little pocket comes together. I can see a little bit. I probably should have scored it a little better, but it's fine. The person I'm giving this to is not gonna worry about that. All right, and so then I just cut out of that candy cane paper, Christmas Sweets I think it's called, just to fit on top of here. So if you're curious, it is 2 1/4 by 3. And you can use either, I wonder if I'd want, I kind of like just the red. You can use either side. And then it just goes on top like that. And you could just put a bow, you know, a little tag, whatever you want. But I kind of like this open tag. So that's kind of what I want to show you. So again, I used that craft paper. So this is half of it. This is 3 by 6, and I scored it in the middle. And what I did was I took a circle die. These are from my ever favorite Stylus Shapes Dies. There's circles, squares, and like little pennant labels in it. I use these, you see me, if you're watching my videos, I'm using them all the time. And what I did was I just kind of put the die here. So the fold is here, I didn't want to put it all the way because that would just cut 2 circles. So I moved it over so it's not cutting that fold and ran that through the die. So it kind of looked like that. And then my circle looks like that. So the fold is here, and that's how you get the little tag. So you can do that in all sorts of shapes. You can do it squares, ovals, anything you want. You just fold it first and then just run it through, but just make sure that one edge is not cutting that fold. So that's how I got the tab, and then I just punched a hole in it. All right, so this will go like that, and so my fold will line up on the edge, and that will look like that. So I'm just going to actually glue the bottom circle onto that. Let that dry for a second. You could stamp it inside if you want, or just write your message. So then what I did for the dog is I'll stamp using the, oh, here it is, the Christmas Scottie stamp set. So I'm going to use this dog right here, and I like to use Stays On Black. I think it stamps better, or it's a deeper, more saturated black than the Memento. I'm going to use my stamp pad just to give it a little cushion. You can see I've done all sorts of projects, and you can actually find those projects on my YouTube channel. Oh, I didn't do so good with that one. It's a large stamp, so you really need to press on all parts, ink it. There we go, that's better. And if you had a little bit, you can actually touch it up with either like a Sharpie and kind of color it in there, get any spots, or a black blends marker. And then you have this one, you have to cut it with scissors. The punch lines up with this dog. So this one you just cut it with scissors, which I already did. And it is somewhere. Uh-oh. There he is. So I just left a white space around him, which makes it easier cutting. And then I made this, these are the cutest little jingle bells. So you get these flat jingle bells, and those are in the holiday catalog. And I'm just gonna use a glue dot, or I'll use a glue dot. I don't know if the regular glue, it would just take a little longer to stick. And then what I did is I used linen thread, and I colored it with a marker. So you could run it through an ink pad. I was trying to hold it down, but I guess I'll do it this way. Kind of roll it to make sure you get all sides. Make sure it's long enough. You can leave it the linen thread, but it's kind of nice that you can turn your linen thread into any color you want. And then I just tied a bow. I'll do it so I don't have to color anymore. There we go. And if I let it dry, then I wouldn't get red all over my fingers. Let me just get that part that I missed. And then I'm going to use a glue dot to get some of my glue dots around the outside and somewhere on the inside. Here we go. I'm going to put a glue dot here. I'm going to put the bow on the glue dot. And did I tie that one? Oh, you know what? I did. I tied it. I suppose that does make it easier. You can fuss with the bow a little bit. I'll put it on there and then I'll trim it. So now I have to move my glue dot down. Oh, you know what the other thing is? We need to stamp his collar. So in that stamp set is this little collar. So I'm going to, it fits right over, not cool, right over, okay, so now I'm gonna just move that glue dot down a little bit so it fits right on there. I'm being fussy. Okay. I just think it's so cute. It just adds so much. All right, so then we need ribbon. So this pack comes with both red and green. I'm going to use the green because I already have red paper. I'm just going to making it longer than I need it because that one was hard to cut. I mean to tie. So I kind of did it about that much. So this is going to get put through the hole. Because I did it this way so that hopefully whoever you're giving it to kind of sees that there's a space there, so hopefully they know to open it. And then on this one, you can kind of see my glue, which I don't really like. So you can either leave it alone and tie the bow and it should stay there, or if you wanted to put a glue dot, you could do that too. But I think I'm just going to leave it and see what happens. Yeah, I think that's a better length. But my other one was small. And then I'm just going to put dimensionals. I'll just do one on the top and one on the bottom, and that way you can kind of straddle the ribbon. Isn't that so cute? There you go. So then the gift card just fits right in there. And then if you want, you know, you can put it in an envelope or however you want, or put it inside a box, or however you're gonna gift it. But that's how you make the little opening gift card holder. So thanks very much for watching. I hope you liked this project. If you did, please sign up for my mailing list at mailsomethingpretty.com/sign up, or you can visit my website, mailsomethingpretty.com, and there's a box right on the sidebar to sign up for my emails and announcements. Thank you very much. Have a great day. Bye-bye.